Hi everybody, it's right now with Double TI and I'm so happy to show you my Apple Watch Series 6 case. It's the Misxi 2-pack hard PC case and I love it, especially because it keeps my device safe from scratches, bump and everyday wear and tear. And it's like peace of mind for me because I use my Apple Watch every day and I was always scared to scratches or bumps. But now I felt so good with this case because I know that I have a lot of protection. Also, the design is so slim, so you don't even notice that you have a case because it's very slim and ultra thin. So it makes me look good and keeps the watch so aesthetic. So if you want to get a case for your Apple Watch, definitely this is a great option. And that is my point of view.